what's up? It's your boy Chords back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we are doing Justin Bieber, Loved by You featuring Burna Boy. Okay, so we have our cap on fret number 1 and we are playing the following chords. So the first chord is an F. Alright, and we're playing it as 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open, okay? And then we go to C, which is open, 3, 2, open, 1, open, okay? And then we also have a G, 3, 2, open, 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 1, okay? Let's go to the intro, okay? So first, you're gonna play your F, and then you go to C. But the trick here is for F, we're playing 6, and then we go to 1, and then you play the 3rd fret of your 2nd string, and then back to 3. Okay, so that's 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can just hold the 3rd fret of your 2nd string already. And then we go to C, and for C we're playing 5, and then we hammer on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, and then the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then we then open that 2nd string to have this first note of C. So we have 3, 3, 1. That's for C. So, and here I'm basically plucking 2 each time. So I'm plucking 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sorry, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. So we have if. So the way I'm gonna play it is. Sorry. Alright, that's 6, 1, 3, 2, and then C. So that's your intro, and I think that's the first verse also. Yeah, it sounds. And if you want to just strum through it, you can use this pattern. F to C, and I'm using my thumb here. So we have down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. So this is what you're going to be playing on the I wish I could love myself, I wish I could love myself. And on this part, we're gonna be kind of like flicking. If you have a pick, you can use it right there instead of using the thumb. The verse is the thumb, and then this pre-chorus, you kind of just want it to be louder. And then we get to the I need to be loved by you. That's now if to G. Need to be loved by you. If. So you can play F, E minor to G. E minor is open, 2, 2, open, 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 right? So the strumming pattern here is now. Sorry, let me just listen to the song again. So that's down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. E minor, down, up. Down, up, down, up. E minor, so F. E minor, G. And you can take that into Burna's verse also. It will sound just alright. And I guess, yeah, it's gonna be the same thing for the rest of the song. yeah, so those are your chords for the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Give a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video.